Hi everyone, my name is Anisha Putri Rahmawati from class AKT 23A. In this session, we will explore a critical yet often underestimated component of every successful organization: business process. Just like an engine powers a car, processes are the driving force behind efficiency, consistency, and scalability in an organization. When optimized, they can significantly reduce costs and elevate customer satisfaction. On the other hand, poorly defined or neglected process can lead to operational chaos, errors, and missed opportunities. Today, we'll delve into what business processes are, why they matter, how to model and improve them, and ultimately how can be leveraged as a strategic asset for long-term success. What is business process? A business process is a structured set of activities or steps designed to achieve a specific organization goal. The steps often follow a logical sequence and involve various inputs, activities, and outputs. For example, order fulfillment, customer onboarding, and invoice processing are all common business processes. They are really confined to a single development. They span across functions, often requiring collaboration between sales, operations, customer service, and finance. Business process also interface with multiple systems and stakeholders. When designed effectively, they enhance coordination and ensure that organizational goals are met consistently. Why are business process important? Business processes are vital for several compelling reasons. First, they drive efficiency by streamlining operations and minimizing unnecessary steps, which is turn reduce cycle times and operations costs. Second, they ensure consistency, allowing the same result to be achieved repeatedly, minimizing human errors and increasing predictability. Third, a well-defined process supports scalability, enable organizations to handle growth without a decline in quality for performance. Finally, from a regulatory and operational risks, in short, business processes are not just operational tools, they are strategic assets. Business process modeling is the practice of visually representing a process for better understand, analyze, and improve it. The goal is to gain clear pictures of how work gets done so we can identify bottlenecks, redundancies, and inefficiency. Some of the most widely used notations include BPMN, or Business Process Model Nation, and swim lane diagram, which helps map activities across the department. Models are often categorized as is, describing the current state, and to be, proposing a desired future state. Tools like Microsoft Visio, LucidCard, and Signavio are commonly used to build these visual maps, making it easier to communicate ideas and collaborate on improvements. A process model is composed of several key elements that define how the process flows from start to finish. Start and ends even clearly indicate where the process begins or what outcome is expected. Uh, Activities are the tasks performed at each stage. Gateway are decision points such as approvals or conditions that determine the path the process takes next. Sequence flows connects the activities and gateways, forming the logical order of execution. Finally, data object represent the information this is used or regenerate at various stages. Understanding and effectively mapping these elements is essential to creating an accurate and functional process model. Business Process Improvement or BPI refers to the systematic approach of enhancing existing process to eliminate inefficiencies, reduce costs, and improve output quality. There are several proven methodologies used in BPI. Lean focus on eliminating waste. Six Sigma emphasizing reducing variation and enhancing quality. Total quality management promotes continuous improvement at every level of the organization. These methodologies are supported by tools such as value stream mapping, root cause analysis, and process mining, which help diagnose issues and design solutions. For example, a company might reduce order fulfillment time by 20% by applying lean principles. Improving a process involves the key step. First, identify the process that need improvement, often those with high error rates or long cycle times. 2. Analyze this process using flowcharts and performance data to uncover inefficiencies. Third, design new or modify workflows, develop solution, test prototypes, and gather use feedback. Fourth, implement the change, which involves updating system, training staff, and developing the new process. Finally, control the new process by monitoring key performance indicators and maintaining improvements through regular reviews and updates. This cycle ensures that improvements are not just temporary but are sustained over time. In conclusion, well-defined the continuously optimized business process are a powerful source of competitive advantage. They ensure high performance, support scalability, and foster organizational agility. But this doesn't happen by change. Teams must be empowered to take ownership of their process. Organization must invest in the right tools, training, and culture that promote process excellence. In a dynamic business environment, the ability to improve and adapt your process will determine your success. Process excellence is not just about documentation, it's about execution, innovation, and growth. Maybe that is all, and thank you.